helping the homeless stay warm during this major January 2026 New York City winter snowstorm. It is literally 14 degrees Fahrenheit outside. We are putting up our own money to buy blankets and food to help out our neighbors. As New Yorkers, we always take care of each other. I wish that the mainstream media would show how dearly compassionate New Yorkers really are. Many homeless New Yorkers would rather combat the outside freezing temperatures and many other challenges than to be subjected to the unspoken violence that occur within the New York City shelter system. There's a misleading stereotype being casted down that all homeless neighbors are subjects of substance abuse. That is far from the truth. Homelessness is primarily caused by high cost of living, with wages not keeping up with a cost to sustain one's livelihood. People are unfairly forced to live on the streets, where they're subjected to the elements and all potential dangers that are associated in that predicament. Please do leave any suggestions in the comments that you think we should do to further assist the homeless.